Good day, my friends. Let's learn something new today.
So your podcast, it starts off with like a really basic example. You know, buying toys for $50, selling for $100.
Right.
After expenses, you got 30 left over, boom, profit.
Exactly. And it's so simple. But it really is that simple, right?
Yeah.
Whether you're talking about toys or like a tech startup or, I don't know, even like podcast subscription.
Oh, totally. Yeah.
It all goes back to that same core formula. Profit equals selling price minus cost price.
Okay, so like so far, pretty easy, right?
Yeah.
But then your podcast kind of flips the script. What happens if you lose money?
The dreaded L word.
Yeah, like you buy those toys for $50, but you can only sell them for $40.
Ooh. Yeah. Not good.
Not good at all, right?
Not good. And that's why, you know, being super careful about tracking your money is so crucial for any business, really. You have to know, like, where's the money coming in? Where's it going out?
Yeah.
Otherwise, how do you even know if you're making money or, you know, just losing it all?
And that's where, like, I thought that restaurant example you had in your podcast was so smart.
Oh, yeah.
Because you've got, you know, the cost of ingredients, paying your staff, the rent for the place.
All those expenses.
Right. And then, like, on the other side, there's the money you're making from all the delicious food and drinks.
And it's a constant dance, right?
Yeah.
Balancing those costs and that income. If you're spending more on, you know, amazing ingredients and staff and rent than you're making from the hungry customers, that's a problem, right?
Yeah.
You might need to, like, rethink your prices. Or maybe find a way to get those ingredients for a bit less. Yeah. Or, you know, there's tons of creative ways to cut back on costs in a restaurant. Food waste is a huge one for a lot of places.
Oh, right. Yeah.
Being smarter about how much you order, adapting menus based on, you know, what's in season. That can actually make a big difference in the long run.
Yes.
Yeah.